It's a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This Sonata has a massive amount of passenger and total interior room. Slip into its spacious cabin and enjoy features like keyless entry, a multifunction steering wheel, and Bluetooth hands-free phone system. It is also equipped with LED daytime running lights, stability and traction control, and multiple airbags. There's never been a family sedan quite like this. Cruise in today for a test drive. Here's a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. This vehicle is a step above the rest with its forward-thinking style and fluid aerodynamic design. You'll enjoy the impressive list of features, including LED daytime running lights, keyless entry, a multifunction steering wheel, and Bluetooth hands-free phone system. It also has a satisfying 6-speed automatic transmission with Shiftronic and Drive Mode Select. This Sonata is ready to pamper. Come in and take it for a test drive.